Some of Willie Manning's lawyers celebrate with family and supporters in a park in Jackson, the Mississippi capital. It's a couple of hundred meters from the state Supreme Court, where hours earlier a surprise stay of execution had been issued for 44-year-old Willie Manning, an African-American man convicted in 1994 of murdering two white students. All these years later, people are realizing the evidence may have been shaky, to say the least, and the Supreme Court agreed.
They had no choice. At this particular point in time, we have too much coming in from the FBI, and they were kind of forced into a position of, we really need to take a moment, step back and look at this before we proceed any further.
He's talking about two letters sent from the FBI to the state saying hair and ballistics evidence used in the original trial was faulty, some of the analysis by the FBI itself, and also deep unease that Mississippi has so far refused to apply modern-day DNA techniques to evidence in the Manning case. The trial's not done. Manning's legal team say they've got a lot of work ahead of them.
We need to talk to experts who can advise us about the DNA testing that needs to be performed, and also ballistics experts to advise us on the ballistics evidence that has recently come into question.
For now, they're just delighted to have won a stay in Mississippi, a state where support for the death penalty is generally high. Willie Manning's lawyers say they don't even know for certain how long the stay of execution may last. They'll be turning to the Mississippi Supreme Court for guidance on that. But one thing they do say, if they get the chance, they'll be pushing for a retrial or for the disputed DNA evidence to be re-examined using modern techniques at the very least. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, Jackson, Mississippi.